Traceable Designer offers revolutionary patented traceable Valance Design Forms used to convert any fabric into professional-looking custom valances without sewing. Custom valances are made using traceable Valance Design Forms, an iron, a pencil, and scissors. Before Traceable Designer, the no-sew cornice kit options were extremely limited. Now anyone can make beautiful scalloped, arched, and straight custom cornice valance panels that look professionally made without sewing. Easily create perfectly shaped panels by tracing around the design form edges. No sewing, design skill, or pattern reading needed. Select fabric to match your decor, then use the included fusible fabric backing to add lining to your fabric section. Slide the design form to the desired sizing line and trace around the edges. Then simply follow the trace line to cut out your valance panels. Add easy no-sew trim and hang using a standard metal curtain rod. No styrofoam, wood, or any other base needed. Fit any window size, shape, or design style. Make any number of valance panels to fit your window size. Traceable Designer valance forms are available in cornice styles, lambrequin styles, pleated curtain styles, swag scarf and blossom styles, and much more. With so many no-sew valance kit options to choose from, you're going to love saving thousands of dollars on custom window treatments. Easy to follow video instructions are just a click away. You'll find a complete library of style-specific video tutorials on the Traceable Designer YouTube channel. Reusable valance forms are stored in the original box and always on hand for the next window decorating project. When custom no-sew decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.